eat, and I'm in love with the money, so I'm in the street. My money stretched long, swag like lava. I'm still spending old paper.
Yo, welcome back to the channel. Just your boy Brandon, and yeah, I'm back with another banging video. And in this video, as you read that title, I'm going to try Suave's new spicy perch fish sandwich combo. I'll try that today. It's just me by myself. I'll be bringing y'all that review. Headed there now. You know, I just want to do a quick little intro, let y'all know what I got going on today. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You know, thank you for everybody who already subscribed and you know, been liking the videos. Who's been you know, comment on the channel. We only been on this channel. We just started the channel about a little over a week ago, about 10 days or something like that ago, 10, 11 days. But yeah, thank you for all the support. You know, y'all. We gonna consider y'all like y'all, you know, y'all the OGs. That's what y'all gonna end up being. You know, when we get to like 1,000 subscribers, 2,000 subscribers, we gonna come up with a name for y'all too. I don't know what it is. But yeah, headed there now. It is cold in Michigan. It's like the second and third day of spring, but it's freezing. It's like 30 degrees. You know what I'm saying? But it should be about 60 or 70 or something like that. But it's cool. Spring usually always cold in Michigan, so used to it. But yeah. Headed there now, and I'll see y'all in a few minutes. I decided to take y'all with me to get me a car wash. I get free car washes every month. You pay like $10, $15 or something, you get unlimited car washes. So I'm going to get a car wash before I go there. And early in the video, I think I call it Suave's. I don't know if it's Suave's or Savvy's. I think it's Savvy. Y'all got to get used to like certain things that I do, right? So certain places I give it its own name. Certain people I give them their own name. But I think it's Savvy's Sliders. I don't know why I call it Suave's. I don't know why. That's just something I do. But I think it is Savvy's. I'm going to ask them when I go in there how you pronounce it. I'm 99% sure it's Savvy's and not Suave. But so if you hear me anytime in this video say Suave, you know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about Savvy's. But yeah. So I decided to just take y'all with me to this so we can just talk a little more. You know, I ain't gonna make this video too long, but I will be bringing y'all, you know, some content with me and the wifey, me just by myself, me with my brother, me and my family, me and my kids. So that's why I call it We Eat Good. It ain't just about us or just me, it's my family. Hopefully that ain't too loud. That, you know, if you hear that boom, 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 obviously you know what it is. Let's look around so we can see it. Yeah. So that's why I call it We Eat Good. Because, you know, we eat good, my family eat good, and y'all eat good. So we eat good family. So that's what y'all is. Yeah, that's what we gonna call y'all. Because y'all, you know, we gonna look at y'all like family. Hopefully, you know, as y'all get to know us, y'all gonna look at us as family. So we gonna call y'all the We Eat Good family. Yeah, I like that. Instead of the people say the gangs or the mafias or the squad, we're gonna call y'all the We Eat Good family. So what up, We Eat Good family? This your boy Brandon. It sounds like I'm in a rainstorm. Whoa, car hard. Do y'all like the car washes that's like touch free, like nothing touch your car? Or do you like the ones that is like really slap the car up, beat it up a little bit? I normally like to hear that it's beating the car down. I usually like the one that's touch-free, but you know, that's cool. Yeah, I'm headed there now to Savvy, Suave's, whichever one it is. Like I say, I am going to find out the real name of it. I know y'all know the name of it, but I don't know the name of it. I call it whatever I want to call it. Suave's, Savvy's. I don't know. But all right, I'm gonna get y'all right in a minute. You holler them so I can tip them from drying my car off in a second. All right, y'all. Just got here. Suave's or Savvy, I don't know. Right. It's over here because they got mixed with Happy's Pizza. Let's go up in here. They got the Perch dinner? Yeah, they got the Perch dinner. How you doing?
Are you ordering?
Yes.
I'll give me 1 second.
Okay. So yeah, he said it's Savvy's. I knew it was Savvy's. Can I get now with the spicy ocean perch,
Yes, sir.
the combo, you had to get two of them for the same thing?
No, you can get two different things.
Okay, can I get the ocean perch one? And that's $9.99, right?
Well, it would only be $9.99
If I keep it two?
Correct.
Okay.
Yes. So if you change it up to the other one, it's going to be the regular combo price of the number 2. Here you go, sir.
Okay.
Unless you choose a premium, right?
Okay. Unless I choose a premium?
Correct.
So if I choose.
Premium's $1.29 extra.
Okay. So you can let me get two of them. That's fine.
Two of them?
Yep.
Okay. And did you want you want them both with food sauce, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
And then any seasoning on the fries, house blend or Cajun?
House.
House.
Yep.
Okay. And now we're doing a fountain drink, or are we going to do a canned drink?
Fountain drink.
Okay. Anything else for you?
No.
All right, buddy. And it's going to be cash or charge?
Charge. This should be good. I always eat here. Well, not this particular location, but I always eat here. Don't need anything. Forks, just some napkins, probably. Gotta get some napkins. Some napkins. There's gonna be sauce and spice and stuff. So set y'all down right here. But yeah, Savvy's sliders. I kept saying Suaves, but it definitely is Savvy's. Hope y'all can hear me good. Savvy sliders, that's cool. They do got a bunch of stuff though. Let me show you. We got shakes. Have you ever come here? You got steaks, shakes, they known for their chicken tenders. They got good hamburgers. I haven't had this perch yet, but I know them to get cod, like the cod that's on the English cod. Pretty good, pretty good. Package. See how this one look though. Okay. They got a monkey in here. All right, y'all, so I'm back. It's the box that come in. Let's have a look. Y'all see that? About dropping everywhere. I'll try this. Nice little seasoned house fry. I don't know if you can see that. My man in there had a monkey. I don't know if y'all seen it in the last clip, but he had a monkey.
That chopper dumping, my money gon' fuck up. Like your hair out the shoulder, my money got longer. That's too many thoughts.
It's crazy. There's a lot of monkeys there. But the fish, it did take about 10 minutes to cook it. They did cook it fresh, which is a good thing. That's how it looked. Okay. Pretty good. I get a fish about them napkins. I know me, I always gotta keep the napkins. I get a fish that's about a 7.5, 8. I don't know, maybe about an 8.5. It's about an 8.5. It ain't too spicy. It's nice and, I don't want to spill nothing, but it's nice and fluffy, seasoned good. It's pretty good. Yeah, I get about 8.5. The whole meal is $9.99. Get a drink. Get the fries. If you ever get the fries, if you like seasoning, get the house fries, the house seasoning. Peach lemonade is my favorite. Even though I told myself I wasn't, drinking no more juice this week. Yeah, see that good. Let me know if y'all like fish sandwiches. That's good. It got that cod taste to it, too. I mean, it got that perch taste to it, too. Like that wild taste. My rating's starting to go up a little bit. It really reminds me of real caught perch. Like my daddy used to make back in the day. Had a whole house stinking. Whole house be banging. But that fish be good. That might be higher than 8.5. I'm giving it 8.8. 8.8621. Well, that's random, but yeah, see that seasoning? See if I can see that seasoning. This meal is good. I think the sliders by itself is $3.99. Yeah. That actually tastes like real perch. Like I went to the store and fried it myself. That is good. So that's it. It's a 9. Solid 9. We eat good, family. If you want to try Savvy's sliders, get the perch. It's a 9 out of 10. You heard it from Brandon. The more you taste it, the more flavor kick in. The more that wild taste kick in. Some people don't like that wild taste, so if you don't like that, don't get this. You got a real fishy smell to it, like cod. I keep saying cod, like perch do. If it don't stink, it ain't good fish. I'm rocking with that. I eat a nice amount of fries too. I ain't stingy with the fries. I always put ketchup in the thing, a couple of napkins. I keep saying, this is good. Now, the whole meal with the fries and everything, 9.5. Just the fish, 9 by itself. Another thing, they only a 0.5 for the fries and drink. I'm saying the experience and everything, 9.5, almost 10. Almost perfect. I don't know what they could do to make that fish better. And you get 2. They do got another meal. Another special. You can get 3 sliders for $10. And if you want, you get 3 sliders for $10. Yeah. I don't even want to chew it too fast. Somebody just jumped in the ocean and caught this fresh. That was on some Forrest Gump stuff. I'm telling you. DNA, this is good. Got me sweating. I'm gonna finish eating, come back with my final conclusion. See y'all in a minute. We eat good, fam. I'm telling you, man. I am stuffed. 3 things. 2 sliders and a fry. Well, I guess 4 with the drink. Oh, shoot.
Bro, you tripping?
Y'all ain't see that seasoning pour out there? I'm glad I poured it in there, but yeah, it's all gone, y'all. It closes up. I just cleaned my car out, too. I don't need them napkins. Got plenty right here. It's got to go. Didn't it come in a bag? They just give it to you like this. They just give it to you like this. I'll throw that away. But yeah, I'm full. About to go in here, order my brother his food. He want to try it for the first time. But yeah, we eat good, fam, man. This was good. This is a total of like a 9.5 out of 10. And you're gonna get full. Like, and I eat a lot. Y'all see me. I eat a lot, right? That was only 2 sliders and a bunch of fries. And I feel like I ate a whole Thanksgiving dinner. Thank y'all for watching. I will be bringing y'all more reviews on different things. I want to try the Chick-fil-A, their new menu, things off that menu, I should say. Me and the wife want to go to this hibachi place called Yoshi Hibachi. We're going there soon. So we got a bunch of places that we going. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, turn your post notifications on, you know, tap all, so you'll be notified every time we drop a banging video like this one. Yeah, good food, man. $10, you can't beat that for the little special. You can't go to McDonald's and get nothing for $10 and be stuffed. Can't go to Burger King. You can't go to Wendy's, especially Wendy's. They high. You can't go to no place and eat nothing like this, with that has that premium taste to it. I know they're little sliders, but all the food together get you stuffed. And the fries, you know, you can live without the house seasoning if you know if you don't like a lot of seasoning in your fries. I kind of do with this, but I normally get no salt on my fries. And I go to like McDonald's and all that. But here I like the house seasoning. But you know, if you don't want to have high blood pressure, then just don't get no seasoning. Fries are good. You don't even need no ketchup unless you just love ketchup. But yeah, I recommend this to anybody who like fish sandwiches, especially if you like perch. You like perch, cod, catfish. Try this. But with that being said, this is your boy Brandon. Check it out with another banging video, man. Love y'all. We good, fam. Until the next one. Thank y'all for watching. Your boy is out of here. Peace.